For anyone who is more of the outdoorsy type, here comes an innovation that might change the game. The Shine Mini Wind Turbine is a handy tool that will provide you electricity for your phone, your camera and other handheld devices as long as there's wind. The creators say that it can be set up within 2 minutes, and thanks to its streamlined design it can withstand rain as well as wind speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. With the price starting at $216, its 40-watt generating turbine can charge a phone fully within 20 minutes at a wind speed of 28 miles per hour using clean energy. And in case your devices are fully charged, you can let wind power up this turbine without any of your gadgets connected to it. In that case, it will store the generated energy like a power bank. Speaking of outdoor adventures, did you know that stargazing can improve your creativity and your overall mood? Hoping to ignite people's awe in the universe, the creators of this space exploration station make it very easy to connect with the stars above you. A mix between a telescope and a camera, this device will show you whatever you want to see in the night sky with the click of a button and an app. Simply choose what star, nebula or other object you want to observe, and the Vespera will automatically find it and show it to you. And thanks to its size and weight, it's easily portable to places with less light pollution than your average city. Arguably the cutest little robot comes from a community of tech lovers. The Mini Pupper is a robot kit based on Raspberry Pi and teaches you about robotics and AI, both very in-demand skills. Working with open source technology, this little fella is mighty smart and ready for you to experiment with it. It can drive, map and recognize objects and even interact with your pet. It's a great way to explore the world of robotics and AI, and if you're just starting out, don't worry, because there are extensive courses, tutorials and a global community of other students for you to connect with. This version of the Mini Pupper is the second, improved version, and you can get this kit for $429. Next to AI, ethical hacking is a growing area of interest. That is because by 2026, the cybersecurity industry will expand by 28%. Check out a little but mighty device that could support the next generation of ethical hackers. HackyPi is a USB device that can teach you ethical hacking. You program it to do things when it is simply plugged into a computer. These could range anywhere between copying files to an embedded SD storage, opening user accounts, or even disabling the mouse. HackyPi is powered by the Raspberry Pi RP2040 microcontroller, and it also contains a micro SD card slot for storing data and other objects, and a customizable onboard display for a range of applications. This consumer-friendly laser engraver might just become your next obsession. According to the inventors, it is suitable for almost all materials thanks to using two different lasers, a 450nm diode laser and a 1064nm pulsed fiber laser. With these two, you can engrave and cut in high speed, as well as engrave in an 8K high resolution. Also, it is made with you, the customer, in mind, meaning that it is extremely easy to use, even with round objects like rings or mugs. Did we mention it is focused on safety too? Not only complying with safety certification standards, it also boosts various mechanisms, providing safety like stops during sudden tilts or vibrations, overheating detection, and a password safety mechanism. Your eyes are kept safe with its protective shield and goggles. Putting in golf can be a real hassle for some, but luckily many problems can be helped with technology. The InBirdie Smart Golf Putting Simulator uses 12 precision optical sensors to help golfers train putting speed, putting angle, and putting distance. With a designated app, you can safely judge your progress and even mirror your putt onto a big screen. And the premium mat stretching almost 6 feet lets you practice your distance. A nice touch is the reflective plate at the end of the mat that brings your golf ball back to you after every shot. This mat costs around $268 and it could make the difference in your next golf game. Now that January is over, how are your New Year's resolutions going? According to statistics, around 39% of all people would like to become more fit. This futuristic-looking device may just be the answer to that. This is the HooKee, a portable gym invented by a team of robotics and fitness lovers. It is capable of generating an adjustable resistance of up to 100 pounds, thanks to its innovative hydraulic technology using water pressure. With a companion app and a large number of possible exercises, it may make it easier for people to pack on some serious muscle. And with a reasonable price of $199, it seems to be a worthy alternative of your local gym.